हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। प्लेसमेंट प्रेजेंट में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एसेंशियल के राउंड 1 के बिहेवियर एंड कॉन्जिक्यूटिव असेसमेंट के बारे में। देखिए, जो क्वेश्चन मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ, ये क्वेश्चन जो है केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, यानी कि डायरेक्टली आपको क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा जाएगा। एक एक करके क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करते हैं। सबसे पहले ना क्वेश्चन किस तरह आएंगे। क्वेश्चन है पहला, अ कंपनी इज यूजिंग क्लाउड स्टोरेज, देयर इज एप्लीकेशन, ट्रैफिक इज लो मोस्ट ऑफ दम टाइम बट सडनली स्पाइक ड्यूरिंग सेल। नाउ विच सोल्यूशन इज बेस्ट। हमारे पास यहाँ पे ऑप्शन गिवन है, ठीक है। नाउ कौन सा ऑप्शन हम लोग यहाँ पे चूज करेंगे। अब यहाँ पे देखो, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे कंपनी यूज कर रही है क्लाउड स्टोरेज को, जहाँ पे उसका जो ट्रैफिक एप्लीकेशन ट्रैफिक वो क्या है, लो है बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम, बट सडनली क्या है, स्पाइक ड्यूरिंग सेल्स। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग कौन सा मेथड यूज़ करेंगे। जब हम लोग भीड़ बढ़े तो हमारा जो ट्रैफिक हो वो लो ना हो, यानी कि जो एप्लीकेशन वो लो ना हो, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ऑटो स्केलिंग क्लाउड सर्विसेज, बिकॉज ऑटो स्केलिंग ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द रिसोर्स बेस्ड ऑन द डिमांड एंड मेक इट कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट एंड स्केलेबल। ओके, अगर क्वेश्चन ए की बात करें जाए, बेसिकली यूज फिक्स सर्वर, अगर आप फिक्स सर्वर इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो वेस्ट ऑफ क्या होगा, कॉस्ट ड्यूरिंग अ लो यूजर्स। और ऑप्शन नंबर सी इसलिए रॉन्ग है, जहाँ यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि यूज़ लोकल स्टोरेज। हम लोग लोकल स्टोरेज अगर यूज़ करेंगे तो हम लोग जो स्पाइक है, यानी कि रेंडमली से कोई हम डिमांड बढ़ गई तो हम लोग उसको मैनेज नहीं कर पाएंगे। ऑप्शन नंबर डी, यूज सिंगल सर्वर ओनली। यूज सिंगल सर्वर का मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर एक सर्वर क्लैश हो गया तो अगर मान लो हमारे पास बहुत सारा जो लोड है, अगर एक ही सर्वर पे आ गया तो ये एक सर्वर क्या कर देगा, क्रैश कर देगा, तो हमारे पास कोई भी बैकअप सर्वर नहीं होगा। तो यहाँ पे हमारी बिजनेस के लिए घाटा है। तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर बी सही है, क्योंकि ऑटो स्केलिंग इसलिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे जब भी हम डिमांड होगा उसी बेस पे हम लोग इसको इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं रिसोर्सेज को। ना मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्या, एम्प्लॉय रिसीव एन ईमेल आस्किंग फॉर अ लॉगिंग credential with a fake link similar to a company portal, which type of attack is this। ठीक है ना, कोई आपको अगर मेल भेजता है, जैसे कि आपको लगे कि जो ये जो मेल आया है, जो लिंक है, ये कंपनी से भेजा गया है, तो ये कौन सा टाइप का अटैक हो सकता है। इस टाइप अटैक को बोलते हैं फिशिंग अटैक। फिशिंग अटैक बेसिकली यूज़र जो होता है, फिशिंग जो ट्रिक होती है, यूज़र इनटू अ रिलीविंग सेंसिटिव डेटा थ्रू अ फेक ईमेल और अ वेबसाइट के थ्रू या फेक ईमेल के थ्रू हम लोग लिंक पे क्लिक करवाते हैं यूज़र से और उनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम लोग ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये कौन से अटैक है, फिशिंग अटैक होती है। अगर डीडॉस अटैक की बात की जाए तो यहाँ पे आता है ओवरलोड सर्विसेज। एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन की बात की जाए तो बेसिकली टारगेट बेस्ड ऑन डेटाबेस क्वेरी। स्पूफिंग की बात की जाए बेसिकली impersonation बट नॉट स्पेसिफाई द credential सेलिंग वाया email, that's why spoofing is नॉट करेक्ट हेयर। ओनली करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो फिशिंग अटैक होता है कि हम लोग ईमेल के थ्रू या फेक वेबसाइट के थ्रू करते हैं, जहाँ पे जी लिंक होता है, सिमिलर लगता है जैसे कि ये एक हमारी कंपनी से आया है, ठीक हो। जैसे क्लिक करता है कोई यूज़र, इसकी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, जो इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग सील कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। नाउ स्टील कर लेते हैं और यूजर को पता भी नहीं चलता है ना। मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्या, कंपनी नेटवर्क इज स्लो बिकॉज मैनी डिवाइस आर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग डेटा अननेसेसरी, विच डिवाइस शुड बी ए यूज। तो नाउ अब यहाँ पे कौन सा डिवाइस इस्तेमाल करेंगे, यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करेंगे स्विच, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बिकॉज स्विच रिड्यूस द नेटवर्क congestion by sending data only to an internet device using a MAC address. That's why option number B is correct one. Why option number A is wrong here, because hub is a broadcast to all the devices. That's why option number B A is wrong here. Option number C is wrong here because it's only amplifier signal. It यहाँ पे क्या करता है, रिपीटर क्या करता है, जो हमारा सिग्नल आता है उसको क्या करता है, एम्पलीफाई करता है। यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर डी इसलिए गलत है क्योंकि जो ब्रिज है ये कनेक्ट करता है नेटवर्क बट नॉट एफिशिएंट एज अ स्विच। दैट वाई ओनली करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज switch, because switch reduce the network congestion by sending the data only to the internet device by using MAC address. Now move to the next question. A developer write a query but get a duplicate record in output. Which is the best solution? Okay. Now अगर डेवलपर कोई क्वेरी लिख रहा है और वो उसको जो आंसर मिल रहा है वो डुप्लीकेट रिकॉर्ड मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस्तेमाल करेंगे ऑप्शन नंबर बी, यूज डिस्टिंक्ट, बिकॉज डिस्टिंक्ट इज यूज टू रिमूव द डुप्लीकेट रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम रिजल्ट। ओके, अब वेयर की बात आती है। वेयर बेसिकली फिल्टर करता है बट डज नॉट रिमूव डुप्लीकेट्स। ग्रुप बाय की बात करेंगे तो ग्रुप बाय बेसिकली इट गिव ग्रुप बाय डेटा बट मे चेंज रिजल्ट meaning. Okay, that's why we option number C is wrong here and option number A is also wrong here. What about option number D, use order by? Order by is only used for sorting the data, okay, in ascending order as well as a descending order. Now move to the next question. what the what will happen here, just see x is equal to 10, variable x at 10 वैल्यू है और यहाँ पे कंडीशन लगी हुई है वाइल है, ठीक है। नाउ जस्ट सी हेयर एक्स इज नेवर अपडेटेड, सो द कंडीशन इज ऑलवेज ट्रू, ओके। तो ये क्या होगा, हमारा इनफाइनाइट लूप है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू 10 है, x ग्रेटर देन 10, एक्स हमारी ग्रेटर देन 10 है, कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई तो x को ये प्रिंट कर देगा, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि x अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हर बार क्या होगी, हमारी जो कंडीशन होगी वाइल की ट्रू हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो ये इनफाइनाइट लूप चलेगा, तो यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज अ करेक्ट वन, ओके। तो इसके लिए क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हमको जरूरत होगी, यहाँ पे लिखा है प्रिंट ऑप्शन नंबर ए में कि प्रिंट 10 to 1, तो जब इसको प्रिंट करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए, डिक्रीमेंट चाहिए यहाँ पे, कि हमको जो एक्स है वो क्या होना चाहिए, डिक्रीमेंट होना चाहिए। अब यहाँ पे बात करें ऑप्शन नंबर सी, प्रिंट 10 वंस, अगर 10 वंस की बात की जा रही है तो यहाँ पे लूप जो होगा, ठीक, वो रिपीट होना चाहिए। और यहाँ पे एरर की बात आएगी तो सिंटैक्स बेसिकली एरर है, यहाँ पे बेसिकली सिंटैक्स क्या है, वैलिड है, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एरर नहीं होगा। तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग, सी इज रॉन्ग एंड डी इज रॉन्ग, ओनली बी इज करेक्ट वन, इनफाइनाइट लूप, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर बार कंडीशन ट्रू होगी और यहाँ पे कोई भी यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं लिखा है कि हमारा एक्स अपडेट हो रहा है, एक्स इज नेवर अपडेट है, दैट्स वाई इट, जो कंडीशन होगी वाइल की वो हर बार ट्रू होगी, तो इनफाइनाइट लूप चलेगा, ओके। नाउ अ बैंक वांट्स मैक्सिमम सिक्योरिटी एंड does not want to share infrastructure. Which cloud should they use? Okay, now for this we use private cloud. Private cloud offer a dedicated infrastructure and use high security. Why option number A is wrong here? Public cloud is a shared environment, okay, it is not safe for any organization or bank, okay, option number A is wrong here. What about option number C, hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is a partial sharing, it come under public as well as a private, that's why we are not using for any organization just like a bank, okay. What about option number D, community cloud? Community cloud is a shared among organization, that's why we not use any of this. Option number A, C and D is wrong, only the correct option here is for bank want maximum security, so we use private cloud, okay. Private cloud offer a dedicated infrastructure on a high security. Now, a manager want to find highest salary from a database. Which function should be used? When the manager want to find a largest or highest salary from the database, so the manager will be use maximum function. Maximum function return the highest value in a range. Okay. Why option number is A is wrong here? Because sum is used to add values, okay. And option number C is used for count entities, okay. What about average? Average is used to calculate the average, that's why option number A is wrong, C is wrong and D is wrong, only the correct option is option number B. Now a website use HTTPS instead of HTTP, what is the main benefit, okay. Just see HTTPS, ये जहाँ पे S लगा है, it means that a security, to HTTP encrypt communication using a SSL as well as a TLS, okay. That's why option number B is the correct one, data encryption. Why option number A is wrong here? Because it give faster or loading. Faster loading means speed, not main benefit. That's why option number A is wrong here. And what about lower cost? Lower cost is unrelated here because we are talking about a main benefit. So option number C is wrong here. And no server required. But if we use HTTP instead of HTTP, we still required server, okay. That's why option number D is wrong here, only option number B is correct here. Now a developer use linear search on a large sorted data, which better option, okay. एक डेवलपर यूज कर रहा है लीनियर सर्च ऑन अ लार्ज सॉर्टेड डेटा, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑप्शन बेस्ट रहेगा, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे बाइनरी सर्च. Binary search is efficient for a sorting data with of big of log n, okay. Why option number A is wrong here? Because bubble sort is a sorting algorithm, okay. Now why is option number C is wrong here? Hashing always, because it's not always suitable, okay. That's why option number C is wrong here. Recursion is a concept, not a specified solution. That's why option number E is wrong here, only option number B is correct here. Now an application crash when many users access it simultaneously. What is the best solution? The best solution is we use load balancer, okay. Option number B, we use load balancer because load balancer distribute the traffic across server and improve performance and reliability. That's why option number B is correct here. Why option number A is wrong here? Increase CPU only, it means that partial improvement only. That's why option number A is wrong here. Use single database, that is that will create a bottleneck. That why option number C is wrong here. Option number D, reduce user. Reduce user is not a practical. That's why option number D is wrong here. Okay, that's why only the correct option is option number B. Now, a web application crash only when the concurrent user exceed 5000. CPU usage is low but memory is full. What is the root case? रूट कॉज क्या होगा यहाँ पे? रूट कॉज होगा यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेमोरी लीक. ओके, मेमोरी इज अ फुल consumed dispute low. Okay, for CPU users, indicating that memory leak of where memory is not released properly. That's why option number B is correct here. रूट कॉज की बात करेंगे तो बिकॉज मेमोरी इज अ फुल्ली कंज्यूम्ड स्पीड लो CPU यूजेस, indicating the memory leakage where memory is not released properly. That's why option number B is the correct here. And why option number A is wrong here? Because it's talking about a CPU bottleneck and CPU is not overloaded. That's why option number A is wrong here. And what about network issue? Network issue is not mentioned here. That's why we are not talking about any network issue. Option number C is wrong here. Disk failure is not related to the RAM use. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only option number B is correct here. Now, a query runs slow on a large table. There is a no index on searched column. So what is the best optimization? So best optimization is, what's the best optimization? We use create index. Okay, because index improves search speed significant in a large database. That's why option number B is correct. Why option number A is wrong here? Because it's talking about use distinct and it does not improve search speed. That's why option number A is wrong here. What about use group by? Group by data is unnecessary. That's why we're not talking about any group by. So C is wrong here. Use order by. Order by is a sorting. It increase cost. That's why we are not talking about any sort order by. Okay, that's why option number D is wrong here. We are talking about index because index improve the speed significant in a large database. That's why option number B is correct here. Okay, now an attacker intercept communication and modify data in context. Type of attack. What is the type of attack here? The correct type of attack is MITM, that is man in the middle attack. It man in the middle attack intercepts and alert communication between the two parties. Okay, why option number A is wrong here? Phishing is a social engineering and DDoS is a traffic flooding and Trojan is a malware. That's why only option number B is correct here. Now, a company is built heavily even when the application is uses is low. What is the causes here? Okay, when we talk about causes, so option number B is correct here because idle resource running and unused resource is still incurred cost if not shut down. That's why option number B is correct here. What about auto scaling? Auto scaling help to reduce cost. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. High traffic is contradict low uses. That's why option number C is wrong here. And data encryption, it not related to the billing. That's why option number D is wrong here. Now move to the next question. What is the final output here? Just see, एक यहाँ पे loop है I equal to 1 to 5 and I move to 1 to 5. Okay, and J move to 1 to 5 and it print I and J. So it is a nested loop here where the loop will be moved from 1 to 5. Okay, here I goes up to 5 and J go to up to 5. That's why 5 into 5, that is 25. It is a 25 iteration that is coming here. So the correct option here is option number C. How many times will print execute? It 25 टाइम बिकॉज जो हमारा आई लूप है वो मूव करेगा 1 to 5 तक. डेट्स जो लास्ट होगा वो हमारा 5 तक जाएगा एंड जे मूव करेगा 1 to 5 तक. तो ये हमारा जे भी कहाँ जाएगा? 5 तक जाएगा. तो कितने हमारे एग्जीक्यूशन होंगे प्रिंट के? 25 होंगे. 5 into 5 25. तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, वाई ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग हेयर? Here mention is 5. It's only talking about outer loop. That's why option number A is wrong here. Okay, and 10, what about 10? It is a correct in multiplication. That's why option number B is correct, wrong here. Now D is miscalculation, so it's not valid. So option number D is wrong here. Only the correct option here is option number C. Okay, because Option number C give the correct result for loop I as well as loop J, because I मूव करेगा कहाँ तक की 5 तक की, और जे भी जाएगा हमारा 5 तक की, तो 5 इंटू 5 दैट इज कॉल्ड 25 इटरेशन होगा और हमारा 25 टाइम प्रिंट एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन. Okay, now a user copied formula equal to a1 plus b1 from row 1 to row 5. What happened? The correct option here is option number B. It changed to a5 plus b5. Okay, because Excel use relative referencing by default. That's why option number B is correct here. Why option number is wrong here? Because it's talking about formula staying same, because it's wrong here because it's only with the absolute reference. Okay, but here it's talking about the relative reference. That's why option number A is wrong here. And option number C is wrong here because it's talking about change randomly, because it is not random. That's why option number C is wrong here. Error. Option number D say error, and but here it is a valid formula, so option number D is wrong here. Now a table has repeated redundant data causing anomalies. What is the best solution for this? The correct option here, option number B, normalization, because normalization remove redundancy and improve consistency. That's why option number B is wrong, correct here. Okay, what about option number A? Option number A is talking about denormalization. Okay, denormalization means increasing redundancy. That's why option number A is wrong here. And then talk about option number C, indexing. It's basically talking about improve speed only. That's why option number C is wrong here. And what about D, sorting is unrelated here. That's why option number D is wrong here. Only the correct option here is normalization, because normalization remove redundancy and improve consistency. That's why option number B is correct here. Now multiple processes are waiting for each other to release resource. This situation is called, the correct situation is called deadlock, or deadlock occur when the process wait indefinitely for resource. Okay, option number B is correct here. And option number A is wrong here. It's talking about starvation. Starvation is used for resource deprivation. Okay, so option number A is wrong here. Thrashing is basically exclusive paging. That's why option number C is wrong here. And paging is a memory technique, so that's why option number D is wrong here. Now, a company enforce password plus fingerprint login. This is called as option number B, multi-factor authentication, because it's used two-factor authentication. Okay, why option number A is wrong here? Encryption is a data protection. That's why option number A is wrong here. Option number C, authorization is access control, so option number C is wrong here. Firewall is talking about network security, so option number D is wrong here, because a company force for password plus fingerprint, because there is a one security for that is called password, and there is another security that is called fingerprint. So we have two authentication, so they are talking about the multi-factor authentication, that is two-factor authentication. Okay, the company is forcing for two-factor authentication. एक हमारी password है, दूसरी हमारी क्या fingerprint है. Okay, that's why option number B is correct here. Now, an API work locally but fail in production due to the different network environment configuration. What is the best fix? So when we talk about best fix, so we go with the match environment configuration, because environment mismatch cause failure. Okay, that's why option number B is correct here. Why option number A is wrong here? It's talking about the restart server, and restart server is a temporary fix. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. Increase RAM, it's unrelated here, so option number C is wrong here. Change API code, when we talk about change API code, it is unnecessary, so we do not want, so option number D is also wrong here. Now you need fast insertion and deletion at both end. What is the best structure? So the best structure for insertion and deletion for both sides, then we use DQ. Option number D is correct here, because DQ support insertion and deletion from both the end. Okay, and why option number A is wrong here? Because array is a costly operation. Okay, so we do not talk about array. Stack is only a one end, that's why we are not talking about array stack. It is a correct or wrong answer. And Q is follow FIFO. Okay, that's why option number C is also wrong here. The correct option here is DQ is support insertion and deletion for from both end. Okay, from both end. Okay, that's why option number D is correct here. Now, data packet are lost during transmission. Which protocol ensure reliability? So when we talk about loss during transmission, so the correct option here is TCP. TCP ensure reliable data transfer using acknowledgement. Okay, that's why option number B is correct here. Why option number A is wrong here? UDP. UDP is unreliable here. That's why option number A is wrong here. IP. IP is a used for address only. That's why option number C is wrong here. Option number D, HTTP. HTTP is a application layer. That's why we are not talking about application layer. We are talking about a data packet are lost during a transmission. So in the transmission, during transmission, we are talking about TCP. TCP basically ensures a reliable data transfer using an acknowledgement. That's why option number B is correct here. Okay. Now application is down because one server failed. What's the best solution for this? So for this solution, we use option number B, that is called use redundancy. Redundancy ensure the availability even one server fail. That's why option number B is correct here. Why option number A is wrong here? Because it is talking about single server and it is a increase high risk. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. Reduce traffic. Reduce traffic is not a solution. Okay, for business purpose. That's why option number C is wrong here. And in case storage is unreliable, okay, or unrelated, because we are talking about server. Okay, we are not talking about any storage. That's why option number B is correct here, because redundancy ensure availability even one server fail. Now, sorting algorithm required for nearly sorted data. What is the best choice? So when we talk about sorting algorithm required as sorting data, so we are talking about insertion sort, because insertion sort perform well for nearly sorted data. Okay, that's why option number B is correct one. Why option number A is wrong here? Because bubble sort is a slower. That's why option number A is wrong here. Selected sort is no advantage here. Okay, for in the sorting. That's why option number C is wrong here. Merge sort is a unnecessary overhead. That's why option number D is also wrong here. Only the correct option here is insertion sort, because insertion sort perform well for nearly sorted data. Now you want only a matching record from two table. Which join will we use? So we will use inner join. Inner join basically return the only match record. That's why the question will ask only match record, so we use inner join. Okay, option number C is the correct one. Why we not select option number A, that is left join? Because left join include left and match. That's why option number A is wrong here. Option number B is wrong here, because it's talking about right join. Right join means including right unmatched. So option number B is also wrong here. Option number D, full join. Full join include all joins. So we are not talking about, we only talking about a only match record from two tables. So we use inner join. Now a program secretly record user keystroke. So this is called a key logger. Key logger record keystroke. Okay. And what about option number A? Option number A is talking about virus. It is generally malware. So option number A is wrong here. Spyware is a border category. That's why we are not using here. Worm is a spread itself. So option number D is also wrong. Only option number C is correct here. Now applications slow during a peak hours. So what is the best solution for this? So we use horizontal scaling. Option number B is correct here, because horizontal scaling add more server to handle load. Okay. Why option number A is wrong here? Because it's talking about vertical scaling. Vertical scaling is a limited scaling. So option number A is wrong here. Option number C, reduce user. Reduce is not practical. So option number C is wrong here. Option number D, increase storage. So it's unrelated. So we are not talking about this. So only the correct option here is option number B. Now, large file processing cause memory crash. What is the best approach for this? For large file processing, so we use option number B, that is a process in chunk. Process in chunk is a process reduce memory usage. So option number B is the correct one. Option number A is false here, because it's talking about load full file, so it causes crash. Option number is wrong here. Increase CPU is not a main issue, so option number C is also wrong here. Ignore error, it's a invalid, so option number D is also wrong here. Now two thread modify same data simultaneously cause incorrect result. So what is the problem here? Problem here is a race condition, because race condition occur when the thread access shared data unsafely. Okay, that's why option number B is correct here. When we talk about two thread modify same data simultaneously cause incorrect fault, so the correct option here is race condition. Option number B, race condition occur when the thread access shared thread unsafely. Okay, option number A is wrong here. It's talking about deadlock. Deadlock is a waiting issue. Okay, that's why option number A is wrong here. Starvation, starvation is a scheduling issue, so we're not talking about and we not use any scheduling issue, so we do not face any scheduling issue. That's why option number C is wrong here. Then talk about option number D, fragmentation. Fragmentation is a memory issue, so we are not talking about, we are only talking about the same data. Okay, and thread, two threads, so the correct option here is race condition. Race condition occur when the thread access the shared data unsafely. Okay, option number B is correct here. Now, critical system must run 24 into 7 with no downtime. What is the best design for this? The correct option here is option number C, fault tolerance system. Fault tolerance system ensure continuous operation even during failures. Okay, option number C is correct here. What is about option number A, single server? Single server is a risky, that's why we are not using here. Option number C, B, backup system only. Backup system is a reactive approach, so we are not using here. Manual monitoring is not sufficient for this, so we not use here. Only option number C is the correct here. Okay, नाउ थैंक यू एवरीवन। हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया अभी यहाँ पे केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं एसेंशियल के, और ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं राउंड 1 में। आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आपको दिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग और एडवांस क्वेश्चंस जो होंगे केस बेस्ड राउंड 1 के बिहेवियर एंड कंजुगेटिव असेसमेंट के फिर से हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।